Today we train flexibility, not speed, not chaos, not flapping around the scale like a nervous pigeon. Flexibility means the voice moves quickly and cleanly. Breath steady, tongue active, pitch accurate, throat free. If the notes are fast but wrong, that is not agility. That is failure with decorations. Listen first, then sing.
Flexibility, singing with precise agility. Flexibility, what a refinability.
Keep it light. Use small air. Do not rush. Speed does not magically fix wrong notes. A tragedy, I know. Ready?
Flexibility, singing with precise agility. Flexibility, what a refinability.
Light and clean.
Flexibility, singing with precise agility. Flexibility, what a refinability.
Pitch first.
Flexibility, singing with precise agility. Flexibility, what a refinability.
Stay precise.
Flexibility, singing with precise agility. Flexibility, what a refinability.
Less drama. Good. That was flexibility. Not louder, not heavier, cleaner. A flexible singer moves with control. A tense singer traps the notes. A lazy singer turns agility into soup. Do not be soup. Bring the milk. I have survived agility, and some of those notes barely did.